Hi everyone, welcome back to My Crafty Home. As you know, I haven't been doing many videos lately because I've been very busy. And let me show you what I have been busy doing. Yep, I built a house. No, not me, but we have a home builder. We are working with Meridian. So with that being said, let me show you a little bit of what I've been doing all this time.
Don't go anywhere, my friends, because at the end of the tour, I'll have a sweet treat to show you all.
So there you have it, guys, a little walkthrough of what I've been doing. So I don't know if you guys know, but I work almost full time as a social worker. So we have been very busy on days that I have off. I don't really have time for editing. I've been busy with the kitchen people and with the lighting and just the different design people. Very, very busy. So this is what I've been doing on all of my time off. Plus we also have a very busy family life with our church and our extended family. We are very busy people, but we are very blessed. So I wanted to share a little of what we've been doing with you all. I wish I had more time, but at this time in season, I just don't have as much time to make these wonderful crafts that I love to do. But it is so important to keep connected, to keep on loving each other, and just remembering our blessings. We need to enjoy the time that we have in front of us and make the most of it. So if that means not crafting as much and spending other time doing these kinds of things, I guess that's what we're gonna have to do with just a little bit of time. So with that being said, thank you guys, I love you. There will be more videos, so don't go anywhere, but we will see you soon. Thanks everyone, take care, bye-bye. Wait, don't go anywhere. I actually have one craft that I want to show you. Well, not a craft, but more like a little fun dessert with Jell-O. So St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and why not do a fun little treat for the kids for St. Patrick's Day? So I'm actually going to do this and thought, hey, why not share it with you guys? So let me show you what I'm going to be doing for a fun little treat this coming St. Patrick's Day. Maybe you could do this for your family as well.
So you'll need some green Jell-O. I got the pistachio. This here is some pie crust. These you can get at the Dollar Tree. And you'll need some Cool Whip and some fun rainbow candy.
Aren't they cute? Well, there you go. Little St. Patrick's Day Jell-O puddings. So, let's see. So good. So, one of the things that I would definitely recommend, do with milk, not with almond milk or anything. It doesn't exactly like form like a really hard Jell-O. It's kind of a little soupy, but nevertheless, it tastes great. So try this little treat at home. All right, guys, have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Bye.
Thanks, friends, for stopping by today. I hope that you enjoyed the house tour and my fun little St. Patrick's Day treat. If you're interested in more St. Patrick's Day desserts and ideas, please visit my friend Valerie at The Whites, and I'll put a link down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.